Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 95. NAMPYEON. Again, it's NAMPYEON. This pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is nam, the second syllable is pyeon. Pronounce it with me. NAMPYEON. NAMPYEON. What is the meaning of the word NAMPYEON? This is the Korean term for husband. Again, NAMPYEON means husband. How do we write NAMPYEON in Hangul? It is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable nam, we need to draw first a Nian character, followed by an A character, followed by a Miem character. So that's Nian, A, and Miem for nam. For the second syllable pyeon, we need to draw first a Peep character, followed by the Yo character, followed by the Nian character. Now that's Peep, Yo, and Nian. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables to write NAMPYEON in Hangul. Again, remember, NAMPYEON means husband. And with that, you've just learned NAMPYEON. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 85 to 94. But don't forget our word for today, word number 95, it's NAMPYEON, which means husband. The first word for our review is word number 94, it's halmoni, which means grandma. Next word is haraboji, which means grandpa. Next is nugu, and this is used to ask who. Next word is sasangi, which means world. Next word is molla, and this is used to say I don't know. Next word is morida, and this is a verb which means to not know. Next word is we, and this is used to ask why. Next word is Joesonghamnida, and this is used to say congratulations in a formal manner. Next word is otoke, and this is used to ask how. And then the last word for our review is otoke, and this is used to say what to do. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.